Hi kids! Today we are going to see some of the basic information about our planets in the solar system. If you are watching our channel for the first time, please do subscribe our channel and click the bell icon so that you will not miss any of our new videos. In this video, we are going to see about the nicknames of the planet, how many moons are there in a planet, the Earth days to orbit around the Sun. We are calculating the days of all the planets using Earth as a reference and length of the space journey from Earth. The first planet is Mercury. It is also called as Shift planet or the hottest planet. Due to its speed of revolution around the Sun 88 days, it has no moon and it takes 4 years to reach Mercury from the Earth. The next planet is Venus. It is also called as morning or evening star since it is visible as a star in the sky. It also has no moons and it takes 6 months to reach Venus from Earth. It takes 225 days to orbit around the Sun. The next planet is our Earth. It is also called as the blue planet due to its water content. The only planet where life exists. It has one moon and it takes 365 days to orbit around the Sun. The next planet is Mars. It is called as red planet due to the presence of the iron oxide on its surface. It takes 7 months to reach Mars from Earth. It has 2 moons called as Phobos and Deimos. It takes 687 days to orbit around the Sun. The next planet is Jupiter. It is 1300 times bigger than Earth and hence it is called as giant planet. So far they have identified 79 moons and some of them are named as Io, Europa, Callisto and Ganymede. This Ganymede is the biggest moon in our solar system. Jupiter takes 4333 Earth days to orbit around the Sun. It takes 13 months to reach Jupiter from our Earth. The next planet is Saturn. It is called as ring planet due to the presence of the rings on its outer surface. The scientists they so far have named 53 moons and 29 moons are awaiting confirmation. Some of them are Mimas, Enceladus, Tethys and Titan. Titan is the only moon that has its own atmosphere. It takes 10,759 Earth days to orbit around the Sun. And to reach Saturn from Earth, it takes us 3 years. The next planet is Uranus. It is called as coldest planet since it is far away from the Sun. It takes 30,687 Earth days to orbit around the Sun. And so far they have identified 27 moons. Some of them are named as Oberon and Titania. It takes 9 years to reach Uranus from Earth. The final planet in our solar system is Neptune. It is also called as farthest and coldest planet due to its distance from the Sun. It takes 12 years to reach Neptune from our Earth. It takes 60,190 Earth days to orbit around the Sun. There are 14 moons in Neptune and one of them is Triton, which is as big as Pluto. Pluto is not a planet. It is considered as a dwarf planet since 2006. Since it has no clear orbital path, it is considered as a dwarf planet. So kids, finally we came to the end of the session. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe More Score CBSE for more such interesting videos. Thanks for watching.